everyone! Welcome back to FasterCars Channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. Today, we're tackling an interesting topic. What about the 2026 Lincoln MKC? Spoiler alert, it doesn't exist. But don't worry, because this story is far from over. Let's break it down and explore why the MKC was discontinued, what replaced it, and how its legacy lives on in one of Lincoln's hottest models today. The Lincoln MKC first hit the market in 2014 as Lincoln's entry into the competitive compact luxury crossover segment. With its smooth lines, plush interior, and signature Lincoln grille, it quickly became a favorite for buyers looking for a blend of style and sophistication. But here's the thing, the automotive world moves fast. By the mid-2010s, competitors like the BMW X3, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and Audi Q5 were raising the bar. And while the MKC held its own, Lincoln knew they needed something fresher, sharper, and more modern to stay ahead. So, in 2019, Lincoln made the call to discontinue the MKC and replace it with the all-new Corsair. Think of the Corsair as the MKC's younger, cooler sibling. It took everything people loved about the MKC, luxury, comfort, performance, and dialed it up to 11. The Corsair isn't just a rebrand, it's a reinvention. Under the hood, you've got two turbocharged engine options, a 2.0-liter four-cylinder or a punchier 2.3-liter option that delivers up to 295 horsepower. Inside, it's pure Lincoln magic, ambient lighting, massaging seats, and a serene cabin designed to make every drive feel like a spa day. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why there won't be a 2026 Lincoln MKC? Simply put, when Lincoln introduced the Corsair, they didn't just phase out the MKC, they evolved it. The Corsair represents the future of Lincoln's compact SUV lineup, and any updates or new releases will happen under the Corsair nameplate. If you're wondering whether the Corsair can live up to the MKC's legacy, trust me, it does. In fact, it surpasses it. From cutting-edge tech like Lincoln's phone, as a key feature to adaptive suspension systems that iron out even the roughest roads, the Corsair proves that sometimes change really is good. While the MKC may be gone, Lincoln's lineup is stronger than ever. Alongside the Corsair, you've got the Nautilus for midsize luxury, the three-row Aviator for families, and the full-size Navigator for those who demand nothing but the best. And speaking of the future, keep your eyes peeled for updates to existing models, including the highly anticipated next-gen Navigator. Lincoln isn't slowing down anytime soon, and neither should you if you're considering joining the Lincoln family. So, while there won't be a 2026 Lincoln MKC, the spirit of the MKC lives on in the incredible Corsair. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV, do yourself a favor and check out the Corsair. It might just surprise you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy driving!